Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing about seam failure and 5 most common seams we are using to control the seam failure in apparel and fashion industry. In garments, apparels, two most common type of seams we use. One is 5 thread overlock. 5 thread overlock is the machine. It is having chain stitch and 3 thread overlock. Second is using single needle lock stitch machine, then after 3 thread overlock to make the overlock seam or serging. In this industry we are facing the seam slippage, and today we will be discussing about the 5 common seams we are using. And we all know the seam failure reason is due to the soft yarn, also low GSM material. Let's see what type of seam we can apply to avoid seam slippage and increase the seam strength. In this we can use 5 thread overlock for the pin stitch, and rest all 4 seams we have to use single needle lock stitch and the 3 thread. Now I am showing you in video 5 thread overlock directly, number 1, number 2 right now, single needle lock stitch and the 3 thread overlock. This is the first seam we are talking about, pin stitch. Previously we already make 3 thread single needle 3 thread overlock or 5 thread overlock, and turn that seam towards to back side and make 1 by 16 top stitch. This is we call turn back edge stitch, or otherwise this we can say pin stitch. Seam number 2, this is surgical stitch or reinforcement stitch. First what we should do the seam attachment with single needle lock stitch, keeping margin 5 by 8, and open the seam using press or coin. Then do the top stitch inside. After that do 3 thread overlock like demonstration in the video. Third seam. Third seam is sandwich seam, we can say. Its lining fabric is attached into the front body. Same lining fabric of the back is attached into the back panel. After attaching these two separately, we will attach all the 4 panel together, and this will help us to increase the seam strength, also avoid seam slippage. This will be only applicable for the garments which is having line and for the top and dress. and fifth seams, we are using interlining to maintain the reinforcement on seam. First, out of that two fusing seams, first one, we should fix the interlining on the seam. It's like front side seam and back side seam. Wherever we find seam failure, we can do the interlining separately and attach the body front and back with single needle lock stitch and 3 thread as per the video and demonstration. You can see here, because of the white interlining, it is visible, but in the market two main colors are there, white and the charcoal, but we can get any color, indent color, from the nominated suppliers. Final seam, we just make seam with the single needle lock stitch. Seam split open, fix the interlining inside, and interlining will be exactly center of the seam, and paste it. Once it is done, it is closed like this, and in this interlining is not visible. These are the 5 most seams industry is using as per the style and to avoid seam slippage and seam strength. This is the way how seam slippage and seam strength is checking. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for everyone. I request to share, subscribe and like.